Welcome to Las Vegas, where the party never sleeps and Halloween turns Fremont Street into one giant costume party. From wild outfits to glowing lights and music that shakes the night, we're diving into the craziest Halloween celebration in the desert. Let's see how Vegas does spooky in style. The massive Viva Vision screen above is the world's largest LED canopy, turns the street into a living light show, playing music, animations, and Halloween visuals that make you feel like you're inside a movie. Every night the party takes over, but on Halloween it's next level. You'll see zombies dancing beside superheroes, vampires taking selfies, and lights turning every costume into a work of art. This is the real Vegas. No filters, no sleep, just pure fun and creativity. Everyone comes here to celebrate, dress up, and let loose under the neon glow. So grab your camera, hold on to your costume, because Halloween on Fremont Street is just getting started. This is the Fremont Street Experience, the heart of downtown Las Vegas. 5 blocks of nonstop energy where live music, street performers, and dazzling light shows light up the night sky. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps the journey going. And as we continue with our walking tour here at Fremont Street Experience, imagine what this place looked like back in the 1950s, when neon signs ruled the skyline and the strip was just beginning to rise. Hey everyone, that's the end of our Halloween walking tour here at the Fremont Street Experience in downtown Las Vegas. What a night! From the crazy costumes to the spooky lights and all the Halloween energy, Fremont Street definitely knows how to throw a party. If you enjoyed walking with me through all the fun and chaos, hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite Halloween costume or moment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more walking tours and travel adventures just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a safe and spooky night, and I'll see you in the next video.
Las Vegas, I need you to make some noise right now for our number one, first place winner taking home